Good morning. This is Tesla alternate Toyota introduced the full electric car. I think if I show you from the inside, but it is normally the first car in the Toyota line, say fully electric, and also the $55,000 cost. If you need, really it is very cheap. Toyota has introduced it, and also if you want by installment, if you have good credit 700 plus, then you have 830 at $50 per month. If you wanted to take cash, it is also you can get almost 55 the rebate. Also you will get some from the government because of electric car. It's a really very good car.